Hello, 335 defense is showing in my car, and with the traffic lights here. As you can see, I'm over 100,000. No more Christmas lights. I switched off all those Christmas lights. So we got a clean dashboard. Just showing you how my car runs. Still running good. Okay, let's slow down here. Just showing all the critics that it can be done. You can service your own 335D and still get it going. I told you I commute long distances. I mean, I pile up a lot of miles in this car. As you can see, we're already on 100,000 in a short space of time. And so instead of paying the warranty, you can take the risk if you want. And if you enjoy fixing cars like I do, you can tear this baby up and put it back together again and still get it going. This is a wonderful machine, and it's possible. As I say, just get the right tools, AUTOAID and a lift. You get all the right tools, you can fix this car and get the parts from BMW. You're set to go. Anyway, hang on, let me just show you on the freeway as I tear this baby up. Okay, slow down. We get carried away here. So here we go. We're just getting onto the freeway in a minute. The other issue has been this whole DS. I'm not impressed with the DS, the sports mode. It just makes a lot of noise, but the car doesn't move. I prefer the manual mode where you shift your gears up and down. But anyway, let's just show you. Let's take it down to 4 and let's let it rip. Woo-hoo! There we go. Let me slow down. I don't get a ticket yet, especially at night. So I'm on the freeway now. As you can see, no Christmas lights at all. There's proof that you can service your own 335.